up to my amazing people? It is your favorite island girl here, and I am ready to be carried away by a special trio of powerhouses tonight. Today we are diving into a soul-stirring performance from this, I think it's a show, Welcome Top 40, featuring, I don't even want to pronounce their names because I know I'm going to get it wrong, but I think our girl Lesti is here, and we love Lesti on the island. So 3 queens of Indonesian music, and I really want to soak in that rich energy with you guys tonight. Are you ready? Let us dive into this. Make sure you like the video for more on the island. All right, let's go. Let's not waste any more time. Let me go. Let me go. Oh, I love that. They look amazing. Look at that outfit. Pause for a minute. Just pause for a minute. Look at Lesti's outfit. Wow. Wow, she looks amazing. It's like a dress, pants, suit, one piece. It looks good when she moves and walks. I really love that fluffy effect. Guys, she looks good. She looks good.
Mari berdendang, kita berdendang. Mari berdendang, kita berdendang. Lenyapkan rasa gelisah, lapangkan hati yang luka. Lenyapkan rasa gelisah, lapangkan hati yang luka.
Oh, she's so strong.
Mari berdendang, kita berdendang. Gembira ria, gembira ria. Mari berdendang, kita berdendang. Gembira ria, gembira ria. Lenyapkan rasa gelisah, lapangkan hati yang duka. Lenyapkan rasa gelisah, lapangkan hati yang duka.
Wow. Wow, here is 3 of them together. Wow, I mean, like, that opening note was amazing. Amazing. She really set the tone there instantly, like paints a picture of like timeless tradition. And when their voices blend, it was like sweet coconut milk. Smooth, pure, creamy, like rich warmth. Like, oh, Lesti just gives it such clarity with those vocals. Amazing. They are really, really strong singers.
Studio 5 Indosiar, mana suaranya? Hey! Suaranya, Bersedih, bersedih, janganlah suka bersedih. Gembira, gembira selalu sepanjang masa. Bersedih, bersedih, janganlah suka bersedih. Gembira, gembira selalu sepanjang masa. La 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 la
Amazing. Can I just say something? I need a minute to say something. Like, since I've started reacting to Lesti and Indonesians music on a whole, not just Lesti alone, but that whole culture and richness, like, I'm realizing that I've fallen in love with Dangdat. Hopefully I said that right. I am really falling in love with this type of music and culture and sound and beat, and it's amazing. And also to hear like the crowd singing along, it's just giving me, you know, such a warm feeling. They're singing with heart and soul, and it's like a real connection. It's like cultural magic, and I really respect that, and I really love that. Like, they are not just singing, like, it feels like they are telling us a story. in body and in soul, and I am feeling it deep in my island heart. I'm just loving it and eating this up. I love reacting to this type of music. Yeah, hear that.
Mari berdendang, kita berdendang. Mari berdendang, kita berdendang. Lenyapkan rasa gelisah, lapangkan hati yang duka. Lenyapkan rasa gelisah, lapangkan hati yang duka. Berdendang, kita berdendang. Dan mari berdendang, kita berdendang. Lenyapkan rasa gelisah, lapangkan hati yang duka. Lenyapkan rasa gelisah, lapangkan hati yang duka.
Wow. I did not want that to finish at all. I was having such a good time dancing, I almost forgot all it was there. Wow, what a gift to our ears and hearts. I think her name is May. I don't want to be wrong. May and Mami and Lesti. They are queens in my eyes, and they brought a performance to me. That was so soulful. It's impossible not to be swept away by that performance, honestly. And you know, you feel your feet tapping, you feel your spirit being lifted, and you know, I just enjoy that. So if you agree with me, make sure and leave a like. Let me know so we can have more of them on the island. Like, tell me which line, which harmony, which voice hit you the hardest, because it certainly had me swaying. I did not want the party to end. For sure. Guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Join the island today, because your island girl is always here for more magical music right here on the island. Thank you guys for being here.